Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on how to improve your stock market entry. By the end of this video, you should have a clearer idea on what it takes to enter better trades in the market. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking on the notification bell. Okay, so how to start trading? Before you can start trading, ask yourself, why do you want to trade stocks? Do you want to trade full-time? Do you already have a full-time job? Can you make time for researching the stock you're interested in during the evening after work? Do you want to trade short-term or long-term? You can day trade or swing trade. With day trading, enter and exit a trade on the same day. You can be in a trade for a few minutes or a few hours. In swing trading, usually open a trade and remain in it for 2 days, 2 weeks, or months. How much money do you need to start trading? For day trading, you need a balance of $25,000 or more in order to be able to maintain a day trader account. If day trading is too much of a fast pace, you can swing trade. For swing trading, you can open a broker account with just a few $100s, but you should consider starting with a few $1,000s. When you start with a small account, it's too easy to deplete your account quickly. You'll also need to sign up for a broker account. The broker fills your entries and acts as a middleman between your orders and the market. The broker fills your entries, and you want a broker with low fees and commissions, but luckily, recently most brokers have stopped charging commissions. Your broker should be able to fill your orders in a timely manner. Your broker should have a trading platform. This should allow you to analyze and place orders. A platform should have a demo account so that you can practice entering and exiting trades. Practice different strategies to see how they react compared to trading uncovered calls and puts. When trading on the demo account, always enter trades that you would actually trade in real life trading so that you have an actual idea of how much you can earn with the actual money you have at hand to trade with. In other words, if when trading real money, you are not going to trade $5,000 at a time, it doesn't make sense to do so in a demo account. When entering trades as a beginner, you can enter market orders or limit orders. As a beginner, I advise you stick to limit orders because you'll get filled at the best price. The problem with market orders is that you'll be guaranteed a fill, but not at the best price. As a beginner, entering a trade, always start small. You want to see where the trade is going. Once you see where the trade is going, then you can build up the trade and add to it. So therefore, you lower your risk by building up your position gradually. Also, ignore all of the noise you have about or that you hear about stock tips from forums, ads, or so-called gurus. Remember to keep good records on your investments. This will always come in handy at tax time. Now, a few tips to remember is the trend is always your friend. So always trade with the direction of the stock for a successful trade. If your trade is losing, then always exit the trade. If you have a winning trade, sell half of it just in case the market reverses. Now you can't lose. Always have enough money so when you see a good trade, you're able to get in and trade. Or the opposite, if you're in a bad trade, you can get out of it. Okay, so don't forget to comment, like, and share, subscribe, and let everyone know what we're doing here at LR Options. Thank you for visiting. Bye-bye.